Here is the update on the greenhouse for the month of December. So I got a few things that I started from seeds that are growing right now, a couple of plants that I rescued, and one plant that started from a bulb. So let's kick off the tour with the beets. I direct sowed this into the soil and they are sprouting and growing. These are my cucumbers that I started from seeds, my Buttercrunch lettuce, and the green onions I started from bulb, Fenugreek that I started from seeds, and the saffron orchids that I started from bulb. So I bought the ready to be planted bulbs. So the only thing that I had to do was just put them in the soil and put some more soil on top of it. But you want to make sure that the roots are facing down in the soil. You water it really good, and then a few weeks later you will have green sprouts popping up. Now on to my moringa seedling. It's not a tree yet, but it will be a tree. It's doing pretty good. A few leaves are turning yellow, but there are new leaves to replace them, so I'm not really worried about it. This is my rosemary and my strawberries. I have a few blooms that's popping up, but nothing has fruited yet. And there you have it. That's the tour for this December. Not too much going on, not a lot, but it is some activity going on in here. So y'all stay tuned to the next update video, which will be in January. There will be monthly update videos every month.